Hello guys! Nandito kami ng AngbisayasaAlemanya! Hello to you guys! Today, mag-unboxing to guys. So, I received today a post or package from one of my supporter, one of my friend, and of course, one of the ka-YouTube natin. So, I used to know her in Facebook. So, shout out to Miss Angela Donna channel and YouTube. So, ito guys, pinadala na ako niya ng package. And thank you for this gift and thank you for the package. Okay, and of course, kasi unboxing tayo. So, samahan niyo ko dito mag-unboxing kasi hindi ko alam din ano ang nasa loob. Okay? So, let's do this. Okay. Ayan, may pullover. Ayan, S. Ano to siya? My perfume. Which perfume ba to? Sisi? Parang perfume to. Yes. Perfume. Ayan, perfume. Mon Rouge. Ayan, ano pa? Shawl on blue, pang summer. And then, may another pullover. Ayan. S. Ayan. Paano do pang ano ba yan? Parang of course, this one guys. Ayan. May tatlo kong pullover na I think it's good for kanang winter time. Ayan. Sisi, salamat sa pullover na pindala mo Sisi Koy. And of course, the shawl. Ayan. Ayan guys. Tapos, may perfume pa. And, ayan. Ayan. And of course, may ano pa to. Hi Sisi! Thank you so much. Ito bigay ko sis para sa LS mo. Sa June 26. Oh my God. Talaga naman. Pinagalan ko nito talaga. Ayan, may pera na sa loob nito, so hindi ko na ipapakita. So, thank you, Sisi. Shout out to you, Sis Angela Donna for the package. And guys, yan lang unboxing ko ngayon. So, see you next time. Bye!